Support messages from brands continue to come after the great earthquake disaster in Kahramanmaraş. The latest example of this was Nissan. Support messages from all brands continue to come after the earthquake disaster in our country. Finally, the Japanese manufacturer Nissan both donated €1 million to the Red Crescent and decided to send 4x4 vehicles to the disaster area. Nissan Turkey's statement is as follows. As Nissan Turkey, we are trying to heal the wounds of the earthquake with all our employees and dealers during this difficult time our country is going through. We send our 4x4 vehicles to the earthquake zone for operational support in this disaster that affected a very large region and deeply saddened us. We delivered blankets, water, dry food and baby food, which are the priority and urgent needs of the region, to the earthquake zone immediately with 2 trucks. As Nissan, we provide €1 million in cash to the Red Crescent. We will continue to stand by our nation. We wish God's mercy on our citizens who lost their lives in the earthquake, and a speedy recovery to our injured people.